नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परा। I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Sarvanyapita Yajamans, Kotaris, Tanidas, everyone sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV and Facebook Live, YouTube Live and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. So I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today again I am back to basics, integrity. Listen, time is a living energy which is one of a powerful gear moving our inner space, either aligning or misaligning with our consciousness. Listen. Our inner space is like a mirror. It is fixed on a gear. That gear is connected to time. Time is a power, energy. It is one of the dimensions of the cosmos. If you are integrated to time, your inner space aligns to reflect the consciousness in all its purity. See, a mirror can completely distort sun, or it can mirror straight. When it mirrors straight, it shines literally as sun. It is equivalent to sun. Same way, when your inner space mirrors superconsciousness purely, it is equivalent to superconsciousness. If that gear is in tune with the time, it aligns your inner space to cosmic consciousness. If that mirror is not in tune with the time, it misaligns or disaligns your cosmic consciousness. Understand, coming to 4:31 for yoga and doing yoga can bring you health, not enlightenment. Sharp 4:29 you are there, and 4:30 you start yoga will bring you health and enlightenment. Nityananda Yoga is for manifesting powers. Anywhere Nityananda Yoga sessions are conducted all over the world, integrity to time is important ingredient. If you start the session 1 minute late, it is no more Nityananda Yoga. It is no more Nityananda Yoga. All of you be very clear. Whether it is pujas in our Sangha or anything. Integrity to time is fundamental requirement for that process to become successful. It may be homa, it may be yoga, it may be puja, it may be session, it may be class, it may be satsang. So, I also have a wonderful announcement for the Bengaluru Adinam participants and visitors. From tomorrow, the morning routine starts at 4 o'clock. 4 to 5 yoga and 5 to 6 Panchakriya. 6 sharp puja starts. So I'll be coming to accept Pada Puja, Pratyaksha Pada Puja every day. After the Pada Puja, Shiva Puja will continue. After Shiva Puja, we will have few minutes to prepare ourselves and have Kirtan. Then sharp 8 o'clock, the Nityananda Times video will be playing. We will be having satsang. And all the residents of the Adinam are requested to tune yourself to this routine with integrity. And all programs conducted in the Adinam, all participants, whether you, regardless of you stay in the campus or outside the campus, you will be here 4 o'clock to start the routine. Maybe you can end your day little early, 10 o'clock or even 9 o'clock, I don't have a problem. But early morning, 4 to 9, that 5 hours, that makes you new being. That makes you spiritually awakened. That makes you super conscious being. That makes you Sadashiva. That gives you super conscious breakthrough. So understand, that gives you super conscious breakthrough. So essence of today's satsang, integrity, integrity, integrity to integrity. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, Sadashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.